Hi friends, Nirmal Ghosh here with you all with my 63rd motivational video in my YouTube channel, that is Nirmal's Dream World, the best and powerful YouTube channel which you should subscribe at the earliest. I think you all have subscribed that channel. Friends, now coming to the main point, the topic of this video is today: be deaf and dumb if you want to get success. Be deaf and dumb for your success. Friends, be deaf and dumb for your success. Friends, why? Because friends, in a research it is proved that 90% of the words we hear from our ear, through our ear, from our society is negative. Is a negative, friend, is negative. It is, you will be astonished hearing this, but it is true, it is fact that 90% of the talks, 90% of the dialogue of people we hear through our ear, it's negative. Friends, people always love to say negative about you. There are very few people that can say that you can do this thing. You can do this thing, to say that there is very few people in this world, but you cannot do this thing. You cannot do this thing. It is, everybody is ready to say it with happiness. Everybody is ready to say with happiness that you cannot do these things. If you say somebody that I want to do these things, suppose it is a great thing, a great achievement you want to achieve. You say this people something, he will say yes, you can, but it is tough. I think you cannot. Most of the people will say this. And friends, it is one portion. And another thing is that in a research it is proved that the people who speaks much more get less success. People who speak much more get less success than the people who speak less but listen more. The people who speak less but listen more get higher success than the people who speaks more, listen less. So be a good listener, friend. Be a good listener. Be a good listener and speak less. Be a dumb person. And whatever necessary, then you speak. Otherwise, you do not use your extra words to other people. You do not explore yourself in extravagant way to other people, because they will not interested about you. The nature of the human being is they are all self-interested. If you can say something about their interest, then they will be happy. But if you tell about yourself, your surroundings, your achievement, your goals, they will be less interested and they will be jealous about you. Maybe they will become your enemy, friend. So friends, always try to be deaf and dumb as long as possible. Friend, I will share you a story, a very nice story I will share you all. In a village, the village was surrounded by hills. Suddenly, the people of village came to know that there has come a monster on the other side of the hills of the village. They are very scared, and they also heard that monster eats a man regularly, eats a human being or any animal regularly. So they become very scared, but they just did not get any proof. But they just only heard about it. And now they want to know about the fact of the matter. So they declare a competition among the villagers that if any villager can go other side of the hill and can see whether this is fact, true or false, that whether there is any monster or not, then he will be awarded with 5 lakh rupees. If any person can go other side of the hill and can see that the monster is there or not, then he will get a 5 lakh rupee award. Everybody was interested. Then a date was fixed. All the villagers gathered in a field, and then one person moved to rise the hill. But after going the middle part of the hill, he came back with being scared, he failed. Coming back, he said that I had not the courage to go other side. If the monster eat me, then what will happen? I do not need the award. I do not need the reward. Then another person do the same thing. He moved some way and came back. being scared. No, I cannot do. No, I cannot do. Lots of people did the same thing. One person rise high. Everybody hope that he will go the other side and he will see what is the fact. But he also came back. Then at last, suddenly everybody saw that a person running towards the hill, rapidly, very fast. A person running towards the hill very fast. He rising towards the hill. Everybody clapped. He go other side of the hill. Everybody astonished whether he will come back or not, whether the monster will eat him or not. Then, making everybody surprised, he came back. And then the villagers, the head of the village, gave him an award of 5 lakh rupees. And the person was astonished. Why? He was astonished by his facial expression. Then it came to know everybody that person was deaf and dumb. He did not even hear about the dangerousness of the monster. Even he did not even heard about the reward or award. He just being interested because he saw that everybody is going to the hill, rising to the hill and coming back. So he became interested that what is the matter? This is why he ran towards the hill, he went other side. And this is why he became successful. So friends, it is proved that if you would heard about the monster, if you would heard about the reward, then there will be scared. A fear would generate within his mind. As because he is not heard about the award, about the monster and his activity. This is why he became so positive and go other side. So this is the proof that actually there was no monster. Actually there was no monster. Everything was normal, but it was a rumor. So friends, it is proof that we always give very weightage to the rumors, to the negative talks of people. This is why you should have to be a deep person in that negative things. We will not be deep in positive words. We will be deep in negative words of people, and we will be dumb where we do not need to say anything. Rather, we will become their active listener. Because people love to see that a person is listening his words. So friend, it is my advice to the 63rd motivational video, that is, be a deaf and dumb person if you get success in life, if you want success in life. Friends, I hope that I have made some sense about this video to you. Friends, stay well, stay healthy, stay positive, and keep watching the excellent videos in my YouTube channel, that is Nirmal Low's Dream World. Till then, bye bye friends.